Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will do pyrography with what I have at home. I use a wooden panel made of balsa that I bought for a few dollars. As I had no carbon paper or graphite paper, I covered the back of my photocopy with graphite. I use a stylus to transfer my Banzai to the wooden panel. It left me with a very light trace. When I'm done with my pyrography, this trace will be easy to remove. Here I use a soldering iron bought for a few dollars many years ago. There is no temperature control or cork on the handle to protect from the heat. But I still manage to make a Banzai. This tool only makes line and it's possible to make small shad section. I turn my panel several times so I can slide the tip almost horizontally and avoid making dotted lines. Here we see that I have no shading nozzle. Instead, I trying to make a shadow with the side of my tip. Here, to be able to make lighter details, I barely touch the wood. Here I hold my right hand with my other hand because I have to do very small details. Now I erase the graphic trace. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel to not miss my next video. Thank you.